For more information, visit our website from the description.
Can't stand the idea of sweltering through another summer without air conditioning? Or shivering through another winter? It's time to get air conditioning, and our easy guide is designed to help you choose the one that's perfect for you. Should you opt for a split system or a duct? What's best for your type of home? And what even is a multi-split system? Quite simply, a split system air conditioner is designed for individual areas in your home. For instance, you may only want to air condition the baby's room, or maybe the main living area where you do most of your entertaining. Or perhaps your own bedroom, for those humid nights. With a split system, the compressor is installed outside your house, and the unit that passes air into the house is either discreetly wall-mounted or a compact floor-standing unit. What are the advantages of a split system? There are two main benefits. The first is that a split system is more economical than other types of air conditioning systems, as you are only buying and installing one unit at a time and using less energy than some other systems. The second benefit of a split system is that they allow you to select the rooms you only want to air condition. What's a multi-split system? In every family or couple, there's always someone who loves the room to be icy cold. And there are those who want comfort without chill. A multi-split air conditioner lets you run multiple air conditioners with just one outside compressor, giving you independent temperature control over each room. You can choose which rooms and the type of indoor unit for each room. Now that's multi-choice. What are the advantages of a multi-split system? There are three key benefits. Firstly, it's a convenient, economical air solution, allowing maximum comfort, with minimum running costs, because you can heat or cool rooms exactly as you need.